Hello, my name is Breton and I am the Young Adult Services Librarian at the Boyle County Public Library. Today we are going to be making some amber fossil soap, which is super cool. In your kit you will have some instructions, you will have a silicone mold, you'll have a really fun bug, and you will have some soap. And our first step is to put the bug in the mold upside down. And the reason we do this is because once the mold is set, then it'll look like your bug is upright, which is super fun. So you'll want to make sure he's kind of laying down in the bottom of the mold so that he lays really flat. That way he'll look very cool when the soap is done. Our next step is to go ahead and melt the soap in a microwave safe container. It can be a bowl or a cup. So you can just put your cubes inside of your bowl or cup, and we're going to microwave this for 30 seconds. Now the important thing to remember is that we want to melt it until it's just melted. We don't want to do it any more than that, okay? So we're going to start for 30 seconds, and we'll check, give it a little stir, and if it needs more time, then we'll do 10 seconds after that. And we'll keep checking and microwaving for 10 seconds until it is melted. All right, let's do it. Oh, it's done. All right, so now that our soap is melted, an optional step is if you have some essential oils at home, you can go ahead and add a drop or two to your soap and make it smell really fun. We're actually going to skip that step today. All right, at this point what we're going to do is go ahead and pour our soap into the mold. Sometimes your bug will try to float to the top. If that starts to happen, you can fill it halfway and then let it rest. And then once it's set a little bit, you can go ahead and pour the rest over. All right, once that's done, you're going to let it set and harden until it's completely dry. And then you will take it out of the mold, and then you'll have a really fun soap with a bug in it to wash your hands. After a little while, the soap will dissolve all the way and you can have a really fun bug to have after that. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this take and make, and we'll see you for the next one. All right, bye.